welcome to D for Dazzler.
Hello everyone, welcome back to D for Dazzler. Today we are going to visit IKEA, which is an affordable home furnishing store and has many branches all over the world. IKEA is present in Mumbai, Hyderabad, Pune, Bangalore. It is a 4 lakh square food store where many items are priced less than 200 rupees. IKEA has only 2 floors, but each floor is so huge in space. Right now we are in the upper floor where they have shown different room arrangements, different designs, different concepts, etc. And it's useful for anyone who is planning to build a home. It also features a 1,000-seater restaurant segment where you get tasty and delicious food with affordable rates. Now we are off to the lower floor of IKEA, where we see variety of things to purchase like carpets, curtains, tables, chairs, mirrors and other household and kitchen appliances. Other than furnishings and a wide variety of food items, they also store home essentials like utensils and cleaning products. The collection and variety is unlimited, and this place is good to get ideas about interiors for new home. In IKEA, you can have a fun and a non-stop ride for about 4 to 5 hours if you watch everything and every corner. I hope you all liked our IKEA vlog. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel D for Dazzler. Thank you for watching. Bye.